you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's your Uncle Chris, and this is the first food pantry haul since the tornadoes touched down here in Chicago. Well, let me show you what I got, and let me show you what I couldn't get because it all went bad. We're going to start right here and then work our way down to the left. All right, we got some sweet peas, low sodium. We got some mixed green beans, no added salt. Oh, thank goodness. I'm lucky to get these. Some pinto beans, low sodium. Hey, we're on a winning streak. Nieces and nephews, a winning streak. You can do so many things with these. You can even make your refried beans. I can show you how to do that. It's easy. Just need a potato masher, some oil. We got some spaghetti rings. I'm going to use that for Jay's lunch. No salt added diced tomatoes. How lucky am I with that? And low sodium spaghetti sauce. Yeah. All these things I need. We got some pears, and check this out, in natural juice. So that means none of that great old sugar added. We got some whole kernel corn. And I believe this is no salt. Yeah, no salt. Oh, yeah. Oh, got some cooking oil. I needed that. We got some peanut butter and jelly. Oh, look. Reduced sugar and sodium. Hey. We got some of that world famous food pantry tuna. Lord help us all. Okay. Well, thank God we got it, though. We have some, well, they're the knockoff brand of Rice Krispies, but they're very good. You can make some Rice Krispie treats with these. Yeah, Jay loves them. Now, I got some macaroni and cheese. Oh, yeah. Some Cheerios. Some Lucky Charms. These are the instant ones. You just put the milk in here when you're on the go. And of course, you know, I make my own mac and cheese. I don't use the packet in here. It's way too much sodium. Let's jump over here. Like I said before, if you don't know about this cheese, you don't know. This government cheese is so good. The best mac and cheese is made with this. Yes, it is. I got some milk, whole milk. I got some more pumpkin spice extract. I'm going to use this for Miss Brenda. She can make cookies with that. I got some chocolate eclairs. Oh, we got some rice. Oh, y'all want to see me make some fried rice? Or my sweet and sour chicken with rice? Let me know. Now this is the base for a meal. It says it's got a medley of 10 different grains, vegetables, legumes, and herbs. Smoky Southwestern style. This would be nice for a soup at a barbecue. Or maybe we should go into some beans. We got 2 potatoes. I don't know why just 2, but maybe those are the 2 that survived the outage of the power. We got some elbow macaroni. I'm going to show you my cold pasta dish. Yes, finally I can do that. We got some oatmeal. Now we got something interesting. Some vegan, plant-based Italian sausage. I will try it, and I will let you guys know how it tastes. I'm going to be honest, okay? And if it's good, I'll let you know. Italian-style sausage, less sausage. And here we got some premium white chicken. This stuff makes such good chicken salad. Drain it till it's dry, then add your mayo and your ingredients, and it is wonderful. Then, oh, I love these. I think they're pronounced swai, I think. The fish fillets, these are excellent. These make excellent, excellent fish dishes. Whatever you flavor them with, that's what they take on. That's the flavor they taste like, yeah. Here we got some What is this? Oh, perfect. I needed this. Some ground beef, 85% lean. That's good because you need some fat in there. It's 15% fat. I got a wonderful pack of chicken drumsticks. This is so good. No hormones, no steroids. Look at that. That's at least 5 to 10 pounds of chicken right there. I'm going to give us a pan of everything we got. Now, we'll get to the end here, and I want to tell you what we didn't get because of the power outage. Unfortunately, we didn't get any vegetables. The power went out at the food pantries, and a lot of their veggies just wilted, were just unusable. So, in case of an emergency, nieces and nephews, have you some type of a backup. Get some type of ice, get some type of a cooler, save your food because you never know. Okay? It taught me a lesson as well. Also, plant a garden. Soon, I'm going to be harvesting what we get from the garden. Yes, I got some tomatoes. I've got some peppers. I've got some basil. I've got some thyme. Oh, and I got pumpkins coming. Yes, pumpkins. So we'll be set for Halloween and a few other things over the winter time because I'm going to try to can some of the stuff. You know, maybe City Girl will take me up on that. All right, I got another dish coming up about the the freezer pantry clean out. And I'm going to show you now that everything's cleaned out of my freezer. We got to stock up. Okay, so I want you to like, comment, subscribe. When you do that, also write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Let me know what you're doing, okay? All right, come and see how I stock up for the winter. Big love.
Uncle Chris, what you got